Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and guess where we are. So I'm with Samaira, my best friend of course.
I'm
you
with
losers,
Priya.
you losers
Yeah.
don't have one.
Minus Aura chat.
Yeah, chat who are these Elora people.
Right. We
And
only
then
want
we are
updates.
just walking around because we literally have nothing to do.
And plus we have so much aura, we don't know what to do with it.
Yeah, exactly. All the skibbery kings we are.
We got all the lays, all the gyat, all the everything else I forgot.
Guess who forgot to pay Phantom tax?
Not us. We
Yeah.
pay. You guys
We
forgot.
are here. Look at the greenery amidst the Delhi's pollution. It's actually a flex.
Yeah, like we get to be in green areas and you guys have to be in pollution areas.
So bad.
Loser guys.
They're missing one. Look at this. We have a bird. How do you
You can't, you just have to turn it like this is minus aura moment.
look? There was a bird.
Oh,
I
it's
don't
here,
know.
it's here,
It's here. I don't know
I
what
don't
we are
know.
doing, but yeah, okay, we are doing something.
This is to make you all you minus all aura L people jealous.
Yeah, losers. Guess who is not wine and guess who's not invited to Jackson Wong's parties?
Guess who's like has a waist of 3 centimeters?
Why? Of course.
What? I'm
And
so petite. I'm getting flown away by the wind. This
oh my
place
God,
started
Jackson
getting
Wong!
big for me.
Jackson!
I'm getting crushed. It's so heavy.
Oh my God, Jackson! Jungkook forgot to do this.
Oh my
Hell.
god.
Oh, it's 143 seconds. Oh my God, strike it,
Strike
mention.
Woo, we missed 1 to
People
7.
are judging, I think.
I think we're past that. There's an
I mean,
ambulance that
I just realized, I thought that we were very antisocial, but looking at all this bullshit that we are doing on streets, I don't think we are antisocial
we are
anymore.
actually for the streets.
People are judging so badly, but cringe content should be there. So subscribe to my channel.
Right. Hit the notification bell.
Yeah. And more.
Yeah.
Now it's your time
Comment.
to speak because
Yeah.
I spoke already.
Oh, comment, like, subscribe, share, and
And share it with your family to make them more cringe.
yeah, we support cringeness because cringe is the only way you can actually live a happy life.
True freedom is knowing that you are cringe and choose to be yourself.
Right. And if you're not cringe, are you really living life?
Yeah. So, my doctor Hansol Vernon Cho said, kidney function is not a right, it's a privilege.
Hansol. Oh my god.
Mingy, if you're watching, send a heart.
Joshua Hong. Send lots of love, but you're
Joshua, bro.
Josh.
We are
Josh.
going
Yeah,
back.
okay, yeah.
Because,
We are at the end of the road because we ditched the whole road.
shit, people out there, we are
There's
going
so
to
many
get
shit.
cringed.
We're going to let's just say the most cringiest thing when we cross them. Oh my god, so alpha skibidi.
Skibidi toilet dress.
He's so skibidi.
There was a song, sticking out the tongue to be skibidi.
Sticking out your tongue for the reason. You're so skibidi. You're so
Phantom
phantom
tax.
tax.
I just want to be part of the Sigma. Sigma on the wall is the scariest
It's of
of
them
all.
all.
It's this Sigma.
Yeah.
And she's very emo, as you can
I'm a TXT.
tell by
fan.
her mask, of course, TXT fan. Even see, I have
Oh,
black
emo.
nail polish.
Emo. Oh my god. Oh shit.
Chat. What level of emoism is this?
Level 5, no, level 10 gyat, level 100 emoism.
What are we even doing at this point?
Yapping because we are literally hooked to at this point.
We are. I think I should become a professional YouTuber.
You'll get cancelled in like a second.
No, why should I? I did not say nigga to anyone today.
Bro is already cancelled. Oh my god, we're
And
like,
I'm just reflecting on life. I just realized I'm very sad. I'm very emo.
your life is so sad, everyone is so difficult.
Depressed.
Yeah. What's that song? All the kids are depressed.
It's yapping for 4 minutes straight, guys.
Oh yeah.
When I get famous, they make na funny moments and then
Uh-huh.
compilation of this that. So
This video is making it onto there.
look at that sign, EXO.
EXO.
In hypermention.
Oh my god. Shit, wait.
Wait, what happened?
What was that? I thought of an NH reference. I forgot.
Inha.
Yeah.
Look at that. I love TBS. It's written.
TWS.
Oh yeah. I just know their one song plot twist.
Oh, I know 2-3.
Guess who loves 17?
Yeah. I'm gonna turn 17, chat.
Let's. Oh yeah, chat. I'm turning 18.
Ew, adult. Get away.
Imagine being 17 in 2024.
Imagine.
Just turning 17. I'm turning 18. I'm the
Imagine having
only.
minor friends and touching them in 2024.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
You were supposed to say certified long voice, certified pedophile, wop wop wop. I mean, you might write another diss song.
Yeah.
Diss track.
I'm gonna treat you like Drake. I'm the Kendrick though.
Shouldn't be saying that. You were the one who were about to play Drake role in English class. You remember?
You forced that role onto me.
But
even
then
though I'm
let's
the
go
victim.
again because I don't know
Okay,
what to
take-
do here
yeah,
anymore.
Yeah. Here
And
is
people must be judging so badly.
People think we're crazy and they're
Wow,
right.
the angle is so pretty.
Oh, right.
Can you take pictures while
Yeah, here. Yeah.
chat? So embarrassing, but
I have never seen more minus one moment.
I mean, yeah, people are wondering what is wrong with her. Why are we just going here and
People
there?
just saw us for 6 minutes walking
Yeah,
down and up.
because we are the divas. We don't
Yeah.
care. Diva is the female version of the house.
We're literally Beyonce wrote that song for us.
Beyonce, who's that? We only know us, the real
Yes,
divas.
the real divas. Oh my god. Oh wait. Who's
Who's
Beyonce?
that mogging?
Oh, bye bye.
Bye bye. Did you saw Suno's reel? He made that Sigma Sigma boy. Sigma Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy.
Why is Suno always making the most embarrassing?
I mean,
The
love.
mean birthday reels. Okay, yeah, are you? This is hard work. Do you want me to hold it?
Yeah,
Someone's hands are tied.
yeah.
We've been recording for 7 minutes. 7 BTS and
Oh my
Hyper.
god, the reference says Thala for a reason.
Reason. Jungkook. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Saturday, Sunday week. Supernova.
Uh,
What the hell are we even doing? Like,
oh,
guys, go and stream Big Bang.
we'll go watch Top in Squid Games.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bruce laid as Thanos.
I agree. He literally ate that roll up. He's my favorite.
Even though bro was super controversial.
Right? Doesn't deserve the controversy.
I love Big Bang.
Us. Who's your bias?
I like G-Dragon. G-Dragon and Taeyang probably.
Real. Mine is G-Dragon.
G-Dragon is literally the king of K-pop. Why are we yapping about G-Dragon now?
How fast we switched topics.
Like imagine people watching this and thinking that we are
some actual vloggers just
Yeah.
walking on and on the street.
like imagine someone going, oh my god, we are big fan. Can you please give an autograph? And we're like, yeah,
Yeah, we're
probably. We are nice enough to give one. This is so embarrassing. Look at the road. It is so
Yeah, and we're doing
freaking. There is fucking traffic there. Like it's not like we are there on an empty street.
Right?
We have no shame, I guess. People must be judging so badly, but then
Do we care? No.
no. Hey, what was that? Your comment
No,
is irrelevant.
irrelevant.
No.
Oh, wait.
Do I give a fuck?
No.
No, not one.
How
How
many
many fucks do I give? Zero. That's why your comment is irrelevant. Why are we doing this though? Like,
We're literally like eating up.
yeah, Rudba is going to have some
Huge
heart
content.
attack.
Yeah, she's gonna watch all of this like 50 years later and be like, what the fuck?
Freaky ass people.
Freaking.
It's already been 9 minutes, bro.
We've been yapping for like 10 minutes walking down one street.
We are so cool. Oh yeah, this was the place I was telling to cross road because there was nothing in it. I forgot. It's been so long.
Well, we've walked it like 30 times by now.
Yeah. And I think we should go now and
Yeah.
take our bag and go home because
We're literally doing bullshit, right? This one.
yeah. Hopefully people don't judge us. I mean actually
I
they
think
are.
it's too late for
Let's
that.
go
Yeah.
actually.
Oh
my God,
Police
there's so-
people, there's police people.
Shit. This is so embarrassing. All the embarrassing thing we are doing to provide Rudba content is crazy.
Rudba, you like owe us after this. We
Rudba, like my video and subscribe.
Rutba, comment and share with your whole family.
Like this is The Issues, bro. The Issues is goated.
Yes, we're gonna post clips of this on The Issues.
Yeah.
So stay tuned, follow The Issues.
We're gonna release new album this year.
Yeah.
Well,
Stay tuned.
we actually made a whole album. The album's name was Hurdles.
Yeah.
And then we wrote like 6-7 songs.
We wrote good. So under that part of those songs, I'm telling you.
We wrote those masterpieces in English class, so you can see Shakespeare's level of songs.
Exactly. Imagine your English teacher telling you and you're writing the most amazing.
We wrote most heartbroken song. Like you might cry.
You might actually feel your heart break inside your heart.
Exactly. Those were so sad songs that we wrote together. I'm gonna miss English classes.
Us, I love English classes. We literally did so much bullshit. Our cringe button.
Oh yeah. And guys, do you know how many people we hate in our classes?
Tip, it's everyone.
Yeah, especially Gangsta. Honorable mention, of course.
It was so bad that we hated that we had to mention her from.
If we will start telling you things about Gangsta, then it will be like 1 hour video yapping about how.
1 hour video will be like a part 1 to like 30
Yeah.
parts.
Like we might make a whole movie, like whole series out of Gangsta's bullshits.
Exactly, it's gonna be so
And then
fun.
there comes person A, person B, and person S, and all those people. God, all the T's in our school.
I have gossip. Agrim texted me yesterday about Chavi.
Let's not mention
I
them
have
in here.
more to tell you. Oh God, I
Tell me
forgot
later
about
because
this.
I don't
Okay.
want to
Do
listen
in the
that
video,
later. Yeah.
You have this only this hint of gossip now.
And then we had so much gossips actually. DPS RKP for a reason.
We're living up to the name.
Yeah.
We are the gossipers.
Like, I get why DPS is very famous for all wrong reasons.
Reasons, right.
We justify that actually.
Yeah, we're reinforcing their already horrible.
We should go
Yeah, let's
because it's already been 11 minutes of
Oh,
yapping.
God.
You should yap too. I yap too much. Now it's your turn.
Oh shit, sorry. Yeah. Okay, what do I yap? I feel like we were equally yapping, but now I'm on.
I'm more. Yeah, look at the
Yeah.
green thing. I mean,
Yeah.
the pollution.
We're literally wherever we go, it turns green.
Can you
because we're that
believe
amazing.
exactly we are the real, what you call fairy queen or something? Those who greenery queens.
Yeah.
Because the AQI was 450 in Delhi.
It's so high.
Like imagine giving taxes
Oh.
of Japan level and getting services of Pakistan is crazy.
No, because you're real for
Where are
that
we
too.
going now?
Let's go back to school.
Oh, should we?
Oh, right. Will they let us in with the
Yeah.
phone in our hand recording like this?
I mean, it's fun actually.
Let's loiter around school. Okay. This is insane.
Yeah, we are going back to hell. That is our school.
If we get suspended, we're
Shit
not.
people of our school are there, and it is so embarrassing.
Right? And we're just gonna be here vlogging. Hope someone
No,
comes.
no, let's go back because I don't want to go to school.
Okay, yeah, true. I'll be
School
going to
is-
school. You turn time.
Like, imagine people still go to school.
Right? Why is the sun like that?
Let's go back.
Why does golden hour look so horrible on us? Oh no, let me. Guys, wait. Sidewalk rule.
Oh yeah. of
Sidewalk
course.
rule.
She's treating me better than
So many names.
no.
So many names.
Of course.
Clat. I'm treating her better than
We're
Clat.
not mentioning him.
I decided that. I stay. I
Don't
stay.
tell Clat lore.
Clat lore. Guys, subscribe if you want Clat lore.
In next part, we'll tell you Clat lore.
Yes, stay tuned for that. You have to subscribe and hit the
And
notification.
spoiler, Clat is not. We are not talking about the exam. It's
Yeah, that's
person.
boring.
That's
boring.
That's a nickname for a person who skipped school to give Clat
Clat.
exam.
Let's go.
And oh god.
This is Clat actually. Face reveal.
Oh. Let's go back to mall.
Okay.
And
We've been.
I think we should stop recording or maybe not because we need to cross the
Yeah.
road. And I'll show you how I'm helping her to cross the road,
Yeah.
how nice I am.
The angles are going to be bad because we're crossing, but
Gonna
yeah.
bear with us
Yeah, where we
and
are.
see how caring I am. I'm helping her to cross the road. And
Priyam
it
is literally my boyfriend.
yeah. This is what Chinky better. You better treat her nicely or else you know.
Yeah, otherwise
Let's
Priyam
go
is here to steal.
We'll wait for that car.
Okay.
We need to cross the road. Cross the road. Right.
Okay.
I love how we are just
Running.
Let's just go.
Oh, let's go. Oh, shit.
Guys, we did not
Die.
Yeah,
We did
we're
it.
live.
Hopefully you guys saw that.
Let's not close the camera when we enter mall. If we are doing bullshit, let's continue.
Right, God. Yeah,
We
it's
don't
already a 14-minute video.
Nobody knows us. Nobody, and neither we know anyone, so we
Exactly.
can do anything.
Whatever we want. What are they going to do? Judge
Exactly.
us?
They
We're
don't
judging
even
you.
know our name.
Really? They
So-
just know what school we're from.
I mean, school too. Fine.
It's okay, our school's reputation is damaged enough.
In school, nobody cares.
Right? Are we going to enter Starbucks with a fucking taka packet?
Yeah.
This is our standards, yeah, Rudba.
Yeah, Rudva is going to cringe so badly, but then yeah.
This is
Yeah.
what you get for leaving us, Rudba. You could have stopped this cringe, but then you didn't show up.
We told you to come, but you did not come. Now die.
Yeah, you could have.
This is so
Do I have to put this on?
Yeah, I think. Or maybe not.
What do I do?
I don't think
Head.
Chad, this is so embarrassing. Let's roam around once and then
Okay.
we'll go to her mother's. She's doing some work. We are going. Oh,
Where are we going?
shit. People are judging so badly.
Bro, no shit. If I saw people doing this, I would judge too.
I mean, it's okay.
Yeah. Where?
Because we are not coming here again. Not
Exactly.
anytime soon.
I mean, you might.
And I hope we don't meet those people again.
Right? There's so many cringe people.
Oh my goodness.
Should
I mean,
we
we
go?
are one of them.
We don't judge ourselves.
Yeah, of course.
Guys,
This is the most cringest thing I have ever done. Like,
walking on a street for like 17
I'm
minutes.
17, and if you combine all the cringe stuff I did in my entire 17 years, this is going to be more than that. Like, so,
I feel like whenever we're together, we just turn cringe.
yeah, and it's fun actually.
I love it.
Why are we walking in circles now?
We're getting married.
One time done. Now 6 more.
Let's
We are not doing that.
Yeah,
Let's go.
we can get married when the circle is
No,
smaller.
no. Then what Mingyu is doing? Oh, we need to go jaldi se. Shit, this is going to be more awkward.
Sorry. Oh, it's okay.
Let's call Ritva.
Really? Okay.
I mean-
bye.
No, we are not going there. We are sending this to Ritva.
Oh, so call or send?
Send. We'll do this later. Don't stop it. If they've started all the crazy stuff, then we'll
Yeah, it's already 17 minutes. 17 minutes.
This is so embarrassing.
It's okay. Are you sure? We'll go into the house.
There was a diva to help us.
He was nice though. I feel more bad because he was actually nice.
Yeah.
I'm like, shit, what are we doing to you? If they're main agents, don't feel bad.
Yeah.
This
What the hell is it, Kurkure? Is this? Are we advertising this? Like, yeah, sponsoring us.
Kurkure sponsored us today, Chad. I'm still embarrassed from asking why I should put a Kurkure in a conveyor belt.
Shit, bro. This is what you do in your
Real like
And those people gonna see us again with this phone and they're gonna just bitches, just get out of this building.
Exactly.
Let's go.
They're gonna be like, you are no vlogger, please shut up.
Okay, now we are at this food stuff. You
And
tell,
it's nothing.
You will tell about the place.
Okay, yeah, we're here
Please
and
show
then
it to them.
I don't think I want to do that with
You
them.
want to do that?
Wait. I hope you saw.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're here at the food place where there's only restaurants and nothing else, as you
And
could
we
see.
don't know, we don't even like any of these stuff.
Yeah.
So we are not gonna eat anything.
We're just here. Neither do we have money to eat anything.
Matlab, we do have money. We are rich, of course. We are Markli. Let's go.
Real, we are
No,
literally
bro, actually,
ugly.
we are so broke.
What are you doing?
Let's go.
Where?
I don't know where. Where are we going? Oh,
Yeah, exactly.
We were supposed to go to
First floor. This is the second.
Shit. Today we need so many stairs.
Yeah, this is L day. Should we go from the stairs since we haven't tried that?
Yes, let's go from
Okay,
stairs.
okay, let's go from the stairs.
I hope people will be there. Do you want to see the posters?
Yeah, oh, see Sky Force. We are posing
Where are the
here.
Yeah.
Wait.
You go pose.
Oh.
Fit check, guys. Defense KP outfit. Where are stairs?
Here.
I'm glad that no one is saying. Is this stairs? Are you
Yeah,
sure?
I think that it opens from the other side, not this side. Because as you can see, we're just dumb.
I'm not sure this. People are going to judge us. Let's go. Teaching.
Yeah, I agree. This is embarrassing. Oh my god, there are people from our school. Oh my god. I know them. Shaurya Datta, Sanvi Khanna, Siona,
Tejas.
girlfriend. Oh shit.
Oh my god, when we are talking tea, we're talking about tea and the ingredients walk in. Like why these people are here. This is actually
Shaurya, he'll probably say
I
hi.
also know them. Oh yeah, I know the lore.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Sanvi Lore, you know na?
I know Shaurya lore also.
Oh my god.
How he was your crush for 2 years.
That's the Alag Shaurya. This is the gay one.
Oh, okay. Were there two?
Yeah, there are two. There's Shaurya Datta and Dubey. I had a crush on Dubey. This is Datta.
Oh.
Gossip lore.
I thought you had crush on him. I think we should stop the video
Yeah,
because people
this is
from our
bad.
school are there. It's so embarrassing.
And we
Bye,
know
guys.
them. Bye. Thanks.
Subscribe
You're
to
not
channel.
Skibbity.
Bye
We
bye.
are. Bye.
Skibbity Sigmas. Bye.
Subscribe. Bye.
Mew for last time. Bye.